Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix this error. Remote computer requires network level authentication. So resolving this issue is very easy. So let's start without wasting our time. I will show you two steps to resolve this issue. First, go to Windows search, type View Advanced Options and you will see View Advanced System Setting. Click on that, and once you click on that, go to Remote tab here, and it should be allowed. Okay, if you are ticked like this, it should be allowed, and this should be unticked. Okay, this should be unticked. Like if it is ticked like this is the network level authentication. It is recommended, but you need to uncheck this option. Once you uncheck this option, click on apply, click on OK, and your issue will resolve for sure. Okay, for the run command, we can also type run in the search bar, and this will work in both all the windows. Type sysdm.cpl and hit OK. You will get the same options, remote, and then untick the same options here, and then your issue should fix. If after applying these method you also getting the same error, you can restart your system and then router and check if your issue is solved or not. So hope your issue is fixed now with this short video. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.